Now we will be doing the prepositions of place and understanding what preposition to use at different places. Firstly, let's start with in. So in is used when we are talking about a room, a building, a street, a town, or a book, a picture, in a paper, car, or a similar personal vehicle. So in the kitchen, in the picture, in the car. In the picture I saw you. In the car, I am in the car right now. I am standing in the kitchen. So these are close things you would see. These are completely bounded things where we are using in. Next, at, which means next to or by an object, for table or event, and places where we do a typical thing. So please deliver the parcel at the door. I am at the event right now. Please meet me at the cinema hall. Cinema hall is a particular place where we go to watch movies. So it is a place where we do a typical thing. Next, on. On is for attached, place with river, being on surface, for side or floor, public transport, and television or radio. So the picture is hung on the wall. London lies on River Thames. The book is kept on the table. I am on your left. I am on the bus right now. Please hear me on the radio. So these are all examples of on. Next we have by, next to or beside, which is either left or right of something or some person. Like if I keep this stick here, this stick is kept next to me. Similarly, Jane is standing by or next to or besides the car. Next is under, which means lower than something. Look under the table. So in under, the thing should be directly lower than something else. It should be directly under it, and then you use the word under. Another example of under is under new management. Suppose when something is overtaken by somebody, when something is under somebody else. So I work under my boss. So that is another example of under. And next we have below. So below and under can be used very interchangeably at times, but below is specifically used when lower than something else is the usage and it is not directly. Like I told you in under, one thing must directly be under the other thing. But in below, one thing might not directly be below or lower than the other thing. Here, fish are below the surface of water. So water is a very vast surface. So fish are below it. Or the sun is below the horizon. There is no specific horizon that So the sun is below the horizon and not under the horizon because it is not directly under it. Another example of below is below 18 degrees Celsius. It can be used to determine the temperature. Next is over, covered by something more than, getting to the other side or overcoming an obstacle in the path. So put in jacket over your shirt. Over 16 years of age. Like we have laws for 18 years of age, over 21 years of age. So that is where you use over. Next, climb over the wall. Right? So this is where you can use over. Next is above, higher than something, but again not directly higher. It does not need to be directly above it. Okay. So above, sun shines above our head. So sun shines somewhere in the sky, right? It is not necessarily directly above our head. So directly higher than our head. So then you use above. Sun shines above our head. Across, getting to the other side, swim across the river. You just go across, swim to the other side, go to the other side. Through, something with limits on top, bottom and sides. So drive through the tunnel, right? We are doing some action through the tunnel. Tunnel is a closed area which is bounded at the top, bottom and sides. So drive through the tunnel. To is used to determine the movement towards a person, towards an object or to a place. So go to London for studies, go to Mr. Hopkins for advice, go to bed and sleep. So these are places or objects where a person is supposed to go. So hence we use to here.